No BS BMW E70 strut mount bushing repair. Your hood. I'm leaving mine running. It's cold. Remove plastics, both sides. 13 or a half inch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes off. Thing about both sides, the other side has to come off first. 2, 3, 4. Your air filters are under this. Work around the strut toward the hood. Be careful of the wires. Out it goes. Number 1, 2 comes off the same. Air filter's got to come out. This shroud has to come out. The air box. 1, 2, 3. 1 electrical connector. Push on the side where my index finger is. Slides out. Lift it up and out. Put it to the side. Grab your T25 Torx and you'll start undoing the plastic shroud. Shut the engine off. Engine's warm now. 3 Torx. 1, 2, 3. Then you got 2 10mm. One here, one there. I'm going to take 10 minutes and tell you guys about one of these tools. No, I'm not. I'm not going to waste your time. Anyway, this cover will come off. It'll help us out, get a little bit more space. It just lifts up and off like that, slides out, and we can slide this plastic shroud out. There is a plastic clip right there holding it in. Plastic engine cover's off, plastic clip is out. Now we just lift up here, and out she goes. Now we have access to the top of the strut. Notice there's an Allen key in the center and a nut around it. We're going to hold the Allen and we're going to loosen the nut. Be safe, we're going to hit it with whatever kind of personal lubricant you got. I use Seafoam Deep Creep. And I'll waste 20 minutes of your time talking about it. There we go. 6 Allen, 18mm wrench. Just like that. And it's not going to be super tight. It's going to take me both hands to do this. Hold one while you loosen the other. It doesn't take a ton of force. Work it off while holding that strut in place. Here we go. Get the nut off and this metal cap. Place for this. Workbench. Thank you, BMW. Now we'll just be gentle and pry the nylon bushing up and out. Oh, that's not so bad. New one on the left, old one on the right. I guess it was a little worn out. Slap her on. Don't make me spit on you again. Get that on. Place our washer. And we'll place the nut. I do not know the torque spec for these. I'm just gonna go UGA kind of tight. No, I'm not using an impact gun. I'll do it by hand. When you're tightening this, you'll be able to feel, because there's a flat spot on the strut, you'll feel it bottom out when you get there. Don't go too far. Side's done, put it back together in reverse order. Let's do that side. 1, 2, 3 Torx, and 1, 2 10mm. Go for it. Remember this guy I wasted 20 minutes of your time talking about? Yeah, you're going to use him again right there, that push pin. Some wires on the wiper motor. Go ahead and undo them. Mine was already undone. Done, plug the motor. Just unclip the wires from the plastic shroud. And now, with a little effort, we'll come right out. And from here, you know what to do. Spin on it. And loosen it up and change it. Then put the whole car back in reverse order.